Hi tech lovers, welcome back to Triplezon. In today's video, we're exploring the best MIDI controller you should know about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Yuyan B25. Let's get started. Product feature. Featuring 25 responsive keys, this controller provides a dynamic playing experience that beautifully accommodates both complex melodic compositions and energetic rhythmic performances for any genre. The versatile drum pads offer an intuitive way to create beats, trigger samples, or control virtual instruments, making it the perfect companion for modern electronic music production and live beat making. Designed for portability, its compact and lightweight construction ensures you can easily carry it to home studios, live gigs, or even create music while traveling on the go. This USB-powered device connects seamlessly to your computer, drawing power directly from the source to eliminate the need for extra adapters and keep your workspace clutter-free. Enjoy immediate integration into your favorite digital audio workstations and music production software, allowing you to focus on your creativity without worrying about technical hurdles. Expertly crafted by a factory specializing in digital instruments, it combines an affordable price point with a functional design that stays accessible for beginners and useful for pros. The straightforward setup allows you to start making music almost immediately, providing a flexible platform to explore your musical ideas, whether you are playing piano or producing synth tracks. Pros: this controller is a breath of fresh air for creators who value freedom. Its compact size means you can turn any space into a studio, from a quiet park bench to a busy tour bus. The keys feel incredibly responsive under your fingers, helping you capture the true emotion in your playing, while the simple setup ensures your technical gear never gets in the way of your inspiration. Cons: while the lightweight design is a massive plus for travel, those used to heavy, full-size piano keys might find the feel a bit different at first. Additionally, with 25 keys, you may find yourself using the octave buttons more often if you are composing expansive pieces that cover a very wide range. Final thoughts. There is something truly special about a tool that makes music feel accessible and fun. This controller acts as a bridge between your imagination and your speakers, giving you the confidence to experiment with new sounds and styles. It's a reliable little powerhouse that supports your growth as an artist, proving that you don't need a massive studio to create something truly beautiful. Your musical journey deserves a great start. Check the price link in the description to see more details. Subscribe to Triplezon and like this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next one.